So I finally decided to watch this viral Amazon video by Shelby Church.
Is this real?
Amazon sellers has been really successful and gave me the inside scoop. Well, I mean, there's a million ways to make money online, but the problem is, like, most of them just don't work well. Or if they do, it's like you're spending an hour to make like $1. Yeah. And business model that,
Walmart uses, where you wholesale products for $1 each, but you buy 500 and you sell them individually for $20 each via Amazon. And Amazon does most of the work for you. They take all of the products to their fulfillment centers, they pack it, they ship it, they accept the money. You don't need a website. So our initial investment back, the $6,000 that we invested in the first week, selling our products. And then after that, everything else was, profit, but we didn't take the money out. We just kept reinvesting it into more products. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, like, we were making, more from Amazon than we were from my 9-to-5 job really quickly. And so I just quit. I mean, it cost for scratch off maps was like $2.30 something cents. And we were selling them for like $29.99.
So they were making about $27 per unit, and in some part of the year selling 1,000 units per day. That's around $27,690 per day.
Once I finished watching it, I was like,
okay.
First of all, who pays $20 for a mug? Are you crazy? Especially at a Walmart or an Asda. Like, who are you? Who does that? That's stupid. Such a bimbo example. So I'd been seeing this video in my suggested and my recommendations on every time I'd go on YouTube, and I was on purpose ignoring it because I didn't want to give any more views to it, because it's sort of a similar feeling all Amazon sellers have towards Amazon, that why give them more money? They don't need it. We need it. But I did see Shelby's other videos, and I did find them quite interesting. Explains them quite well. So I thought, okay, let me just give it a chance and have a look. What is she talking about? And what has she figured out? So once I finished watching it, I was like, are you serious? I mean, are both of you really serious? I wanted to ask them. If you're watching this, like, really, like, why would you make it sound like so simple? And Amazon is not your mate. Nobody, not even Amazon themselves, would have made $27,000 letting Kevin sell that product on their own platform. Like, no one made that sort of profit. Okay, so let's just clear that up. Honestly, not that shocked from her point of view, because she hasn't sold on Amazon ever, and hers was quite a layman's view. Somebody who is not exposed to this whole system probably wouldn't really get it and wouldn't really want to know that much in detail anyway. Like, why bother? Seems like a lot of work. So for this video's purpose, for my subscribers' purpose, I thought I need to tell people how a viral video made Amazon sound out to be like your best mate, and they just sell products for you, and they give away $27,000 worth of revenue for you to take home and enjoy that money. That is not true. That is not how it happens. And I know that there was a little line about excluding Amazon fees. I just want to give you a scale of Amazon fees that these FBA sellers have to pay. So this is the scratch off map. It's not the exact one, but it's sort of similar price in $30. So I just wanted to see the all-time sales rank. It is under 100,000 most of the time over the last 3 years, and the price is roughly at $30 throughout. So I just want to get an idea of the fees, because that's where they're just pretending that it was all profit. No, Amazon takes $12. So you take those fees and you calculate the profit this way. So $30 is your sales price. You add the product cost. That was $2.30. And notice that's the smallest cost of everything else. So the fulfillment fee is going to be $8.50 for this kind of product. Actually, it's $8.64, sorry. And $4.50 for referral fee. Got these from checking on 2 different softwares.
and then an estimate of storage fee and freight cost, and your net profit is going to be $14 before you pay for advertising. Amazon takes huge amounts of cut in as a cost too, and your gross profit is going to be $1.93. So that would be $1,930 profit.
And check this out, Amazon Basics scratch-off map. This is the fate of most products on Amazon which start selling good, and Amazon sees the same data as us and they just create their own version, and 4 different variations at that, half the price. Yeah, that's the sort of fees Amazon sellers have to pay, not just rob Amazon of, you know, $27,000. You can't do that. They can't allow that. This is the truth of selling on Amazon. I don't know what on earth that guy was talking about. Like, I want you guys to approach this more realistically, and that's why we talk about building a brand. That's why we talk about, you know, registering with a brand registry, trademarking, so you can actually protect your idea, protect your product on Amazon, from the competition, and be able to charge the prices that you deserve to charge for that product. Another thing that I learned from this video was people, especially people like her age group, and people in general, like, they don't want products that just fall apart or not work. It doesn't really give a good experience to the customer, and so that will reflect in your reviews. That will reflect you know, how expensive it'll become to sell each time if your product is not good quality, and it affects your bottom line. The point is, it's not as simple as they make it sound to be. Send loads of inventory to Amazon and they just sell it for you, and they just transfer a load of cash into your bank and you're laughing all the way to the bank. No, that is not true. That is not how it works. And I know that Shelby says in her video that she is just scratching the surface, and it's not about how it actually works. It's just how, from her point of view, who is someone who has no idea about how this stuff works, sees this. It's an established marketplace. It's part of people's life, whether you hate it or you don't, whether you buy from it or not. At some point, somewhere, we've all been in contact with this company. It's a real player in the world economy now, with its reach in so many different countries, with its international FBA program, where sellers who don't even live in the US or the UK can sign up and sell the products and receive revenues in their own home countries, is truly globalizing selling online. As an Amazon seller, you're just part of this huge ecosystem. It's very important to go in this process of trying to sell on Amazon, trying to earn a living off Amazon with realistic expectations, so you can set yourself goals that you can achieve. It's not as easy as they made it sound. Like, you won't be a millionaire unless you are a huge volume seller and you're happy to earn in pennies and be the cheapest person on the market and take all the sales. Oh, but that's Amazon. But it's possible to earn a dignified income off this platform and support your families. If I was a person who has just lost his job, or my physical store is closed and I need to find a way to earn online, this is probably like the easiest way to do it, because people are shopping on this platform with intent. So if you just start with baby steps and, you know, like, just take your time to understand the system and see how it works. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It was a bit different. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Have you seen this video, and what do you make of it? See you next week. Bye.